Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Teresa here, and today is a Sweet Steals day over at the Sweet Shop, digital design shop, and at tracireed.com. And today we are featuring the Wander and Wonder digital collection. I am sharing a hybrid traveler's notebook layout with you today, and I love the travel opportunities in the summer, and this year I got bitten by the traveler's notebook bug again. I have done quite a few different traveler's notebooks in the past, and so there's a playlist on my YouTube channel if you're interested in traveler's notebooks, and you'll see that link down below. And then what I wanted to do here was feature one of the shapes that's in the Wander and Wonder collection. Of course, you can see here I have printed out 2 of the pattern papers. The notebook that I'm working in is an old one that I've had from Graphic 45. It is the 4 1/4 by 8 1/4 size. I've printed some embellishments and elements from the Wander and Wonder kit. And then the photos here have been clipped with one corner rounded. And this is, like I said, based on one of the shapes in the collection. I love to do that, to take a shape that's in your collection that you're working with and repeat that shape. And in this instance, I've repeated it with the photos. And if you want to know how I did that rounded rectangle in Photoshop, you'll have to take a look at the blog post this morning. And I will have that link down below for you at tracireed.com. And I've spelled it out in written format so that you know how you can do those rounded corners in your own photos. And so I've laid those out in a collage on the left-hand side in a collage of 4, and then left a pocket for the receipt to go behind it. Incidentally, the story is from Father's Day. I took Alan to a new little cafe over in Weldon, really close to us, basically around the corner from us. And it was just a fun little experience, a lovely little place to go, the Cafe Weldon. And so took some detail photos there while we were there, and of course a photo of us going inside. And so 4 photos on the left hand side and then 3 on the right hand side. I love how traveler's notebooks kind of ask you to go smaller, and smaller with your photos, smaller with your labels if you want. You can still go large too if you want. But for this layout, I wanted to include as many photos as I felt told the story. And I also just wanted to include some of the fun little details. And you'll notice how, you know how most people take a photo of their food before they eat it? I took a photo of my waffle after I ate it. So if you're looking for some photo ideas, I also took a photo next to the waffle, a photo of the wallpaper border that was in this cafe. And the Cafe Weldon circle is the actual, of course, the actual logo of the cafe. I took that from somewhere. I took just a plain photo somewhere in the shop and just cut that out. It's supposed to be white, but the shadows and the colors in the space itself make it look a little bit green, and also laying up against the green map paper makes it look a little bit, it makes it have a little bit of a green cast. No worries. The other thing I did here while I'm adhering my pages into the notebook is I recolored the labels from this kit so that they would match the frames that I added to each of the photos. And the frames, I just recolored the stroke in Photoshop. If you create a rectangle and you clip your photo to it, you round your corner, and then you add a stroke to it and select a color from the kit to change the color of your stroke, and then you have a colorful frame. And I feel like that gives some more color opportunities here on the page. And you'll also notice the title, Take the Scenic Route. That is one of the word art elements in the collection as well. So check all the links down below, especially visit the Traci Reed Designs blog today and see what the other team members have done with the Wander and Wonder collection. And thank you as always for watching. I'll see you back here again real soon. Happy travels. Bye-bye.